We're back, folks. Same day, on my way home. So I came this way. I'm on this pier. It's a pier again. Up here. Look, there's some sun up there. Let's go to the end of the pier, then I'm going to take a video of this boat that's tied up alongside here. Heavy duty rope down here. Used to be a good place for fishing. Of course, the tide has to be full in. The sun is up there. There's a gap in the clouds. Fantastic day, but it's good to see the sun. Right, let's go and take a look at this boat down here. Excuse me. Then we're going to walk down the steps and head up to the beach house. Very interesting. Look at that. Some type of windlass in the back end. Actually, there's doors open there. I don't think there's anybody on here. That hatchway door is open. Let's go down and take a look. Called the Morning Dawn. Big old thing just sitting against the wall here. It's old. It's made of wood. Being patched up. There's the propeller. There's the rudder. Big black patch by there. Rubber. Same over there. Yeah. Needs a ton of work. This is worth some money. Okay. We're heading west. tied up against this jetty wall. What a day. There she is, morning dawn. Okay, heading back to the beach house, which is up that way, over that way. We'll walk it across here. Thanks for joining me, folks. Time to go. We'll walk down by here, take a look at the sun coming out. Less than a man and I'll be back. I think it's cup of tea time. For a good old walk today. Tide's recently gone out here. Okay. Very, very winter sky. We'll call it quits here. Thanks for joining me, folks. We'll see you on the next one. In the meantime, take it easy and adios.